Hello all. Now today's video we will learn about how to interface or how to simulate an ultrasonic distance finder or ultrasonic sensor. With that we are using here ESP32. So in previous video I already explained with the Arduino. Now just go to the new tab, search walkway. We already have the account now. So open this page and search walkway. So click to here. Here, right hand side we can build our circuit or left hand side we can write our code. Now first we will make our hardware, that is we can search in the plus icon. Search first ultrasonic sensor, place it over here. Then here the 4 pins are there: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. Ground pin connect with the ESP ground. So VCC pin we can connect 3.3 else 5 volt. The D5 pin of ESP32 you can connect with the trigger pin, and an echo pin you can connect with the D18. Now the circuit is finished. Now we come towards our code, and so we know that the ultrasonic sensor used to work. One is transmitter of this sound, ultrasonic sound. One is the receiver of the ultrasonic sound. One side or one speaker is used to send ultrasonic signal and others used to correct it out. And then we will calculate the time and time duration as well. We know the speed of sound is 330 meter per second. We all know that, and this is what called as the time. We will calculate it when we use to collect it out. Okay, so as we know that speed is equal to distance by time, so distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. If we have speed and time, we can find the distance. So this is the basic principle. Now in void setup we will write integer trigger pin equal to 5. We are just declaring two type of variables, and integer echo pin is equal to 18. Although this is not a necessary steps, but still we are doing it. Okay. After this we have to define one more variable of float data type, and I am writing here SS. SS means is the speed of sound. Here it is, we can write SS equal to 0.034. So it will be mentioned in the centimeter. Now we will write long. Long is another data type, and we can write duration, DURN, and that is the long duration. So this is our now duration. So we can just say time duration as well, and speed of sound, because we want to, these are just the variables. We want to store certain value in all these variables with different name. One more thing, that you can change the name of this variable if you want float distance. So we can write down float distance underscore centimeter. Float actually we can use, there are only the value will become in the decimal point. So float type data number is in the decimal. An integer cannot store the decimal number. Now we will come forward void setup. So here first serial begin is the 115200. This is the baud rate and we are not supposed to write any other things. So I am deleting this one. Here we will also need to declare our pins. Our pin mode, that which pin in input and which pin is output. So trigger pin, comma, write down output. Because what is output trigger? As our output. While echo pin is our input. So you can write echo pin, comma, input. Now we can write the code in the void loop. In void loop, which used to execute again and again. So here we will write a digital write in bracket trigger pin, comma, loop. The next line, write the delay here. Delay is the microsecond, so beta delay microsecond in bracket we can write down the 2. Then again digital write trigger pin, it should be high. So you can write down digital write in bracket trigger pin, comma, HIGH high, then semicolon. Then again enter, we can write down the delay microsecond, it should be 10. Because signals are always high and low. Okay. After this has been done, we will make our trigger pin as low. Now this has been done, we will write down the duration. So duration, that is equal to pulse in bracket echo pin, comma, HIGH high, then semicolon. Now this function is very important here because the pulse, it will find that for how much time our echo pin high. It will calculate the time and store inside this duration. One more variable we need to declare, distance, comma, distance underscore centimeter. So equal to duration multiplied by SS by 2. Sound used to strike the object and then it will come back. So maybe that is why they used to write this divide by 2. Now we will write serial dot print and in bracket we can write down the how much distance they has. Okay, so distance equal to, and then again serial dot print ln in bracket distance and then delay should be 100. Okay, this is our program. Now we will run this one. Okay, now look at it, will show the values exactly. If I can click on the ultrasonic sensor and I am just increasing, so you can see here values also change. If like it 31, so look at here 30.99. Got it?